Today we are going to test and review the Sunblesa Rechargeable Ultra Headlight. Stay tuned. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Well, today we are going to review and test the Sunblesa Rechargeable Headlamp. First, I'll show you exactly everything that's in the box. First thing we have is a really awesome hard case for the headlamp. And inside we have the headlamp. It is small, but it's rechargeable. It actually fits me quite well. And what I'll do is I will show you clips of me using it. Had very foggy, rainy conditions, but you should see the difference of the lights and stuff. And first of all, I'll put the specs up for the item. So the maximum lumens is 365, and on a low mode it has a runtime up to 200 hours. It is very lightweight, only weighs 1.5 ounces. There is 2 color light sources, and it is waterproof, IP6 grade, water resistant, and it has a built-in rechargeable battery, and it also comes with a USB cord for charging. So with the different color modes, green is used to not attract mosquitoes, fish, and other animals, and red is to preserve your night vision. So I'll just tell you what I liked about the item. It's very small. It's got a nice little carrying case right here. It's very light, and it's easy to just throw it in your bag, throw it in your pocket, throw it in your backpack. The lighting is really good compared to my Black Diamond, which is very strong, but it is heavier because it actually holds batteries. This one is rechargeable, so it's much lighter. I really like it, and I will definitely use it, and I like the way the lighting is. I love the strobe light, the SOS feature in it, and overall, it's a really good headlamp. So, I will put the link in the description, and you guys can go check it out. So I hope everything was informative to you, and thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Ciao.